Hello student, our today's topic is fun with lines. So I will show here different types of lines, textures and design. It's vertical line, horizontal line, diagonal line, flat line, thin line, curved line, wave line and jagged line. After that dash line, dotted line, and then I will show here spring texture. See like this. After that stone structure, okay, and give the shade one side, okay, give the strokes like this. Then bricks texture, here also give the strokes half only, it's look like a bricks. Okay, after that I am showing here honeycomb like structure. See like this. Draw the design in this way. Okay, after that we have to draw a small circle inside it. After that I am showing here a leaf design like this. Draw the leaf in this way and then fill the gap between the two leaf like this. Okay, after that we have to draw balls and lines and leaf shape inside it. After that we can also draw small circle design like this. You can draw the zebra stripes design also. It's very easy. See like this. And then draw the different types design also. You can use triangles, half circle and circle shapes in the design. Okay, see like this. Using here triangle and half circle. So we are using these lines, designs and texture on the paper. Now start. We are using here 3 slanting line, 3 curved line and 2 waves line like this. With the help of this line we have to divide the page in this way. Draw the curved line in first box. We will do a design in 2 boxes. See like this. After that we will draw here wave line in this column. Okay, draw the lines properly and keep same distance between the two lines. Draw the different design in this column. You can draw different types of design here. Okay, use your creativity and make a beautiful design. And then we have to draw here slanting line. See student, draw the lines properly. Again we have to draw here a slanting lines. We have to draw this design again here. Okay, draw like this. And then we are using here dotted line. Everyone observe it first and then draw. Okay, and draw this column also. We have to use here again dotted line. And then we have to draw here spring design. See like this. And draw in this small part also. Here we can draw straight line, standing line. In this area also draw a standing line. Draw like this. And then upside we will draw a zebra stripe design. See, like this, draw a small stripes, and then draw a small lines also. Okay, and then we have to draw here honeycomb like texture. See, like this, and then we have to draw a small circle inside it, and then draw the design like this. After that we have to draw here stone structure, then draw the curved line here. After that we have to draw here jagged line. In this small box, draw the checks design. In this part we are using bricks design. See student, our line pattern is ready here. Everyone try this design using your creativity and idea. Okay, thank you.